Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also, write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to change the theme of your Instagram chat. You will be able to change the style of any chat with your friend on Instagram. How do you do that? Very simple. To do this, you go to Instagram. You go to Direct and open any chat with a friend. Then click on the friend's name and click on the theme button. And here you can choose absolutely any theme you like. You can choose a different theme for each chat and save. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated about it. If you liked this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye. See you later.